Hello again. It's quite hard to get good live sound, even with professional equipment. And if you're using a smartphone or an iPad, it's very important that you get very close to your subject, otherwise the sound quality will be very poor. Let me show you a couple of clips that I've made with this iPad. Hello! Now this is a long shot and the camera is way too far away from me for good sound. As you can hear, the volume is quite low and there is a lot of disturbances and noise. And even if I try to raise the volume in the editing program, you can hear that the quality of the sound is still not very good at all. Now in this mid shot you can hear that the sound is a lot better, but it would be even better if we moved up even closer. Now in this close-up the iPad is no more than 1 meter away from my face, and here you get the best sound quality. Sometimes it's a lot better to film without sound and add a soundtrack later on your computer, with a voiceover, sound effects or perhaps even music. But when it comes to music, I would like to warn you. It's very tempting to use music in your film, but there's a risk that the music draws attention from the voiceover or from the content of the images. If you feel that you have to use music in your film just to make it better or smoother, you probably have missed something in the process of planning, filming or editing your film. Don't use music if it doesn't really add something to the communication of your film.